Okay guys, I keep sharing some small secrets and tips what can help you to promote your affiliate links and get some sales. So for example, I will select now company called Nest Bedding and I would like to promote this company. So what I can do is here they provide coupon code. So what I can do is click on create custom link. I will use this one already generated link. So simply copy it. Now I will go to Facebook and search for company Nest Bedding and will reply to all posts what I will found here. So for example, we got here some posts. Some people are talking about. For example, like this one. Let's click on comment. Type comment like you can get it with discount if you will use code. And let's copy code. Also, you can ask company to provide you a unique code. For example, I got code pget5. So it's same. So even if people will not click on the link, but will use code pget5, I will get commission like this. So here is okay. So what we can do now, we can comment under all. Yeah, here is preview. As you can see, Nest Bedding. So if they will click on it, they will click on your affiliate link. So you can search for topics about your product on Facebook and simply reply to all posts what you will find there. Be careful, try not to spam. Reply a few posts on a day and use different social medias like Twitter as well. You can also use Google Alerts. For example, you can create alert for keyword nest bedding. So everyone who will so every day when people will talk about nest bedding or some news will coming out or some blog posts, I will get notifications to my email if I will put it here. And what I can do, I can visit these websites, check about what is so nest bedding for simple market review, not interesting, but I can try to leave comments here as well if it's will be about my product. For example, mattress online, or you can enter, for example, mattress model, Alexander signature, for example. And see what so here you can see what posts, what content is new, and simply give a reply to all these posts. So this is how it works, like simple idea, but it's effective. If you are not lazy, you can yeah, as you can see, it's related searches and you can use them as well. in order to find more topics where people talk about it, betting in a box mattress, for example. A lot of content, and you can simply reply to all posts, providing coupon code. Simple idea, but working one. Okay guys, hope you understand this idea, and if you like this video, please subscribe.